What's up, guys? I'm working with Solo Stove to bring you their brand new Solo Steelfire 22-inch portable stainless steel griddle. It's only a few inches smaller than their 30-inch griddle, leaving a ton of space to cook a lot of food when you're on the go. I'm starving, so let's get this thing out of the box and cook some smash burgers. The first thing I noticed when I picked up the box is that it's already a lot lighter than any other portable griddle I've ever used. It comes almost fully assembled, but I'm going to install this removable drip tray and then screw in the attachment where you install your propane tank. We'll turn it back around, and the last thing we have to do is install the handle, and that just takes 2 screws going through a heat deflection plate into the handle. One great thing about this portable size griddle is you can use these 1-pound propane tanks. They're super convenient when you're on the go and you just need to minimize how much you're taking with you. And then when you're at home and you want to cook for a larger group, you can buy a conversion kit and you can hook it up to a 20-pound tank. The 22-inch Steelfire also puts out 14,000 BTUs, which is right on par with the full-size griddles from many other companies. Removing the griddle surface reveals the Solo Racetrack burner that ensures we have even heat from edge to edge. You can also see right here in the back where the grease would go and funnel down into the tray sitting behind the unit out of the way. We're going to replace the surface now, and it just slides right into these posts on the front to ensure that it's held nice and sturdy. Anytime you get a new griddle or grill, always clean the cooking surface with soapy water. This is going to remove anything that touched it during the manufacturing or shipping process. Then I'd just like to take some clean water and rinse it all off. We're going to get some of that water off with a paper towel, then we'll turn the burners on high and let it burn off anything else that may be stuck to it. Now I'll just turn the gas knob to ignite the burners, and this thing goes from 0 to sear in just 7 minutes. And because the surface is stainless steel, we don't have to do any seasoning before we're ready to cook. I couldn't think of a better meal than smash burgers for the first cook, but you know we've got to have that bacon. Now I'm using the burger press that came in the kit to smash these brisket burgers nice and flat. Don't forget to hit them with some seasoning, throw some buns and the bacon grease to get them nice and toasty. And next we'll carefully scrape them off the griddle and get them flipped over, revealing that incredibly beautiful crust. Add some cheese until it's nice and melty, and then we'll make our double stacks. We're gonna add special sauce to the bottom bun, throw our patties down on top of that, and it's time to assemble. More burger sauce on the top bun. We're doing 2 full pieces of bacon on each burger to make a beautiful basic smash burger. Now let me show you how easy this stainless steel is to clean. You want your burner set to medium, and you're gonna use the scraper to get off the hard stuff. Next, just add water, which is gonna release almost everything else. After the first round of water, I hit some of the stubborn spots with a second round, and then I used a paper towel to start wiping everything up. In less than a minute, you got your griddle cleaned up and you can go eat with your family. If you ever want the stainless to look perfect again, just use some Barkeeper's Friend and it'll polish like brand new. One key to portability is being able to cook on any surface, and even after cooking that full meal and cleaning the griddle, the table is completely cool. So you could put this on plastic tables or on your tailgate and not have any issues. I've always told you guys that my reviews are completely honest, and when Solo reached out and asked me to review the Solo Steelfire, I told them I was going to be honest with you and they could take it or leave it. I can honestly say this is the lightest portable griddle I've ever used, and the heat across the griddle was extremely even. The cleanup was the easiest I've ever cleaned up on. I've never used a griddle that I thought was perfect, so if I had to make one change on this griddle, I'd make it where the feet can be leveled with a way to screw them in or screw them out to level all 4 corners, because a lot of times when you're using a mobile griddle, it's not on a completely level surface. So other than that, I have 0 complaints about this griddle. If you're in the market for a portable griddle, I would definitely recommend the Solo Steelfire to be one of your top choices to look at. And the moment I've been waiting for, because I'm absolutely starving after cooking and talking about this griddle, it's time for that first bite. Sometimes all you need is meat, cheese, and a little sauce. Delicious smash burgers. Let's eat, y'all.